OS12 Edge Support in exacqVision 26.0. Up until OS 11, the package installed on the Edge camera had the ability to operate at a root level. However, internet security is continuing to move forward. And one of the significant changes with OS 12 is the updated root access policy. Root privileges are now more restricted, enhancing overall system security. Users must follow updated procedures to perform administrative tasks, ensuring better protection against unauthorized access. A new installer package has been created to accommodate the changes required. exacqVision 26.0 introduces full support for OS 12, ensuring seamless integration with the latest operating system. This update allows organizations to leverage the newest security and performance features available with OS 12, keeping surveillance systems reliable and future-ready. If you have an OS 11 camera, you will want to use the ARTPEC 8 package. If you have an OS 12 camera, you will need to use the updated package. To download the package, navigate to the exacqVision website and select Support, Software Downloads, and expand the exacqVision Edge section. Select the required package to download. To install this new package, navigate to the web GUI of the OS 12 camera and navigate to Apps. Ensure that the Allow and Signed Apps toggle is turned on. Click the Add App button and upload the package. This will take a couple of minutes. The package will start and turn off. Toggle the switch back on again. Another significant change with OS 12 is that you will need to use the Access GUI to set up a network storage drive. Navigate to System, Storage, and configure a share as required. In exacqVision Client, navigate to Archiving and ensure that the information entered matches the information in the Access GUI. Another slight change is in the Remote Connections section. You can create subset streams so you can get to the Edge camera via remote connectivity, even with it being OS 12. Navigate to the Configure System section and you can see the information about the system listed, including that it is an Access OS 12 type system. This will be important when upgrading the system as it needs to pull the correct package. With exacqVision, OS 12 Edge Support delivers improved compatibility, stronger security, and streamlined management for surveillance systems. Take advantage of these new features to keep your operations efficient, secure, and up to date. Thanks for watching.